Marauders, we've had a storm. This has hit all the way down to Dallas, had 3 inches of ice / snow yesterday. I'm sure they have it today, down to Virginia. I think it actually started snowing a little bit in Florida. And then in Western New York, I have about a foot of snow outside, which I'm going to be showing you in a minute. I have my Klim. These are really like a snowmobile boot, winter boot on, that are the warmest boots I have. They're outstanding. I am just wearing jeans, but I'm going to use a great product. Some people have asked me. I bought these probably 8-9 years ago from Pioneer Motorsports. Thank you, Jen. She recommended these. A lot of state police use these, I've heard, or well, I'm told. And they're FXR winter heated gloves. So I'm going to plug this battery in. I have 2 sets of battery I've charged. You can see it's signaling it's connected. Tuck the battery into the battery pouch. They say the battery on medium or low, I think, will last almost 8 hours. Hold this pad down to turn it on. That's the high level, is in red. Red and green is medium. Green is mild. I'm going to leave it on high. So I have heated gloves. That one's warming up. I have my KTM. KTM, baby. Don't want to, well, I can't show the other one. Let's not show the other one. Okay, KTM. I have my KTM out, my jacket on. This is a KTM jacket, medium to light duty jacket. I do have a Harley-Davidson, baby. Harley-Davidson jacket on underneath. My phone is zipped in my pocket. I have the garage door opener. Let's go out and take a look at what weather we have in Western New York. Whoa. Okay, so you can see this is a solid foot of snow in my driveway. You can see by my boot. Come on. See the boot? So I have a solid foot of snow in my driveway. I did not plow all day yesterday. Let's crank the Bobcat up. Again, you have been having problems with battery. The battery on it, the battery is replaced. There was a coupling on the battery that was also cracked. Battery was 5 years old. Well, 3.5 years old. So it's covered with snow. This snow is, this is the first time this year I've had a problem walking. Come on, baby, start. She's coming to life. I always let the fuel pump run for a little bit. Oh, she doesn't like it. She doesn't like it. That's my girl. That's my girl. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and program, put my number in to keep it running. I'm gonna turn the heat on full blast. I'm gonna knock the snow off. These 2 cars, they're moving today, and then shovel, and then we'll pick you up. But maybe when I'm shoveling, I'm not gonna show the cars being cleaned off. When I'm shoveling, I'll pick you up. So, these gloves are toasty. These gloves are toasty warm. And I parked on the grass. I really like doing this. It's frozen. I park on the grass when I know snow is coming. It just makes for a better video. And I've had this for over 10 years. Car dealers use these brushes. It makes for a better video parking on the grass. Everything is closed in the area. And they close it so people stay off the road so they can clean up. I'm probably gonna go in late this morning. Okay, so my car's done. I'm not gonna show you doing my daughter's. Look at the snow, guys. This is one reason why I wanted to show it. Look at how deep the snow is. And it compacts. Again, I did not, and it makes for a better video, was not going anyplace. I went to the gym early yesterday morning, had a 2.5 hour workout. I'm gonna go through my workouts, they're killers. So did that, came back, it was just starting to snow. So I didn't blow snow all day yesterday. Show you what it's like when we get full snowfall in the driveway. Again, there's a foot. So hopefully the machine will do its job and really push the snow around. And we'll show you what it's like cleaning up. This is the heaviest storm this year. All right, shut the camera off and I'm gonna get to work. I'll see you shoveling. Didn't go to the gym this morning. I planned it right. I went Sunday and because I knew I was gonna have to clean up this morning. And this is my mother-in-law's shovel. She lives in an apartment now and doesn't need it. My wife took food to her yesterday and cleaned up her apartment. Oh my God, this might be more than a foot. This might be more. I got snow down my boot. My jeans won't go over these boots. Okay, so now as I'm getting here, it's about a foot. This was probably 16 inches or so here. Oh boy. Okay, let's keep going. I don't know, the wind looks... Yesterday the snow was coming out of which is crazy, was coming out of the northeast, which it doesn't usually do. We're supposed to get very cold temperatures now this week, for about a week. Now, why do I shovel? You can't get real close to the garage doors, especially with the track loader. It swivels. Always worried the back end where the engine is going to pound in the garage door and damage them. And I've seen snowplowing people hit doors no matter what they're using. So I shovel in front of the doors to get close to the garage doors, because if you don't, you get a pocket of ice. Even if you leave a foot away, you get a pocket of ice. It is I don't feel the cold on my body because my body's working to get heat. These gloves are on high. My hands are warm, they're not hot. I really feel it on my face. If you can see my face, it's probably red. And this is good exercise. And I'm probably going to do the street, do along the mailboxes first, then show you coming up the driveway and hitting this area. I think that's what I'm going to do. There's a light snow now. It is just beautiful out. And I don't have to do this area here. I just like it neatens it up. Yeah, you can see, man, it is deep. Okay. I don't like to stick the camera facing the sun, but there's cloud cover, haze. I think I'll be okay. I don't like to do it for the video picture of it. You know, because then what's in front of the foreground is dark. But I think I'm okay today doing that. My wife's leaving for work. And I can't believe they didn't close their office. Everything is closed. Yeah, so I can't do the front sidewalk, shoveling it in front of the driveway, or in front of the garage that I've shoveled. You can see it's over 2 feet, 2.5, probably 2 feet in this area. Let's do along the street, and then we'll do up the driveway. It is, boy, she's throwing the snow this morning. I like to get the curb, and it's really paying off because I'm not getting, when they plow the street, which they do multiple times, I'm not getting snow, a big pile in front of my driveway after I did it. Tracks are rattling a little bit going through the snow, a little, I don't know, like a tank, which is I noticed that lately on the machine. We'll set you up here. I'll put you in the middle, and hopefully I won't get snow on the camera. Got to get this done before my wife goes to work. Okay, so I'm full throttle. She's chooching. She's chooching. She's chooching, guys. Don't want to blow snow on the camera, which I am notorious for doing. She is blowing, huh? She doesn't mind the deep snow. Probably 12 inches to right here, it's deeper, 14 inches. She's chooching. I know, Dean, I know. Not like my tractor. She's blowing probably 30 feet. This is, because it's so cold, even though there's a lot of snow, it's actually kind of light. Probably the best snow you could have for snow blowing. She's a choo-chomatic. What do you think? Oh, my hands are so, the cab is warm now. My hands are warm. Boy, she is really blowing the snow. Okay, driveway looks really clean, detailed, doesn't it? Okay, let's get this area. I'm not sure where I'm going to set the camera up. My daughter's car is not in the ideal spot. I don't know. I'll figure it out. This is why you get an all-wheel drive vehicle, huh? Loyal. She's a loyal employee, right? Gotta take my gloves off for this. What's really nice about this machine is you can actually angle the chute where it's blowing snow behind the machine, which is really nice. I don't know if that's true of all track loader snow blowers. And because I'm blowing into the wind, I don't have this chute. And when I get near the camera, it's going to get complicated. Oh, and I did not have it full throttle. I can't believe I did that again. Okay, so now she's full throttle. On the side of my daughter's car. Well, I can tell you it's actually pushing the snow. The snow is deeper than the ground clearance on the machine. This is where I'm actually blowing it. Behind the machine. Yeah, it's blowing back on, oh my God, this is terrible. Yeah, it's blowing back on my windshield and icing up. What the heck, did it just spit stuff on my camera? Chooch. This is a disadvantage of a track loader versus a snowblower on a tractor is you're so close to the chute, it's blowing back on the windshield. Also, I can't see directly the center of what I've just done because the chute's in the way, and the chute's about 3 feet tall, so it comes up to my nose in the cabin. I can't see where I just snowblowed if I missed a pattern. And I'm blowing it right into the wind. There's enough wind where it just blows a mist back on the machine. Okay, so I don't know where I'm gonna sit. Look how deep the snow is. Give you a shot. So, I don't know, just under 3 feet. Not a problem for my wife's car. I shout out to anyone moving from the south to the north. Get an all-wheel drive car, any car. They're just, you need it up here. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna set the camera up on 2 spots. I think I'm gonna set you up there. There is no good spot. So the wind is out of this way. I think I'm gonna set you up in this corner and try to blow that way. Let's do that. So I'm gonna try to shoot the gap. I'm gonna try to precision snow blow and shoot the gap between my daughter's car and my car. Which appears to be working. Now this is when you angle the chute down, this is where it can be problematic as far as clogging. This came out really nice. I think my car can go over this snow. I'm gonna start warming it up. Oh, so my car's running. Okay, so she didn't park on the grass, which I like, because I'll have to come back and clean up around her car. So now I'm gonna hit this area over here where I parked the track machine. My son's truck is on the grass. So maybe I'll give you a shot over here. See how that works. Oh, got a little snow on you, huh? So I think this came out really well, aside from her car, but I did a double scrape, just scraped it down, didn't blow it in front of the garage door. I didn't like that. Let's take a look. So I have at least a third of a tank. Oh, she's down there. Yeah, she is kind of accurate. I thought I had more fuel. It was up to here. But I think this is my third time blowing it. She uses a lot of fuel. Okay, I have diesel in the garage. Let's set you up from the walk. I'm gonna do the front walk. I'll shovel it off camera. I didn't like that the driveway on the right side was a little narrow. I'm gonna miss the maneuverability of this thing. You can see I'm blowing in the wind. Did I get the camera? Oh, I just missed the camera. Hopefully not too bad. Choo-choo-matic. So, of all the stupid things, after putting up with decades of the ash borer killing trees, killed over 300 trees on my property, now there's a bug in the area that's killing the arborvitaes. Can you believe it? I can't. I'm just like, I gotta be careful I don't hit my front step, because I can't see it, I didn't shovel. So that's as far as I'm gonna go. Can you believe it? There's some now bug killing arborvitaes. My wife has been spraying it. We lost all the arborvitaes. If that's the right, no, boxwoods. Killing boxwoods. Pain in the ass. Okay. Oh. Well, you can see what the snow's like. We got some snow. So this came out really well, as it usually does. Again, this was set up for 60-inch wide sidewalks. My tractor had a 59-inch blower. Then I get this thing, and it has, I think, a 74-inch wide blower. We'll see if I get an 84-inch wide blower before this season ends. I am off camera going to scrape the driveway, but I'm going to shovel this on camera, so you can see what it's like to shovel this front stoop. These gloves are great. Oh my gosh. They are so, oh my God, they're warm. Okay, so tell me if I'm shoveling right. Hit the stop. all the things, I'm shoveling this. Why? My side door is shielded from the road. You know, so no one could really, they can't see the packages on my front stoop from the road. Why they deliver them to the front door, I don't get it. I really don't. And they'll, even pizza people will go through this snow to deliver a pizza when I don't shovel it. So we never use our front door. My God, I don't think we ever use it. Except for deliveries. Even furniture, my guys will take it out. Or people will deliver like furniture or things to the front door. Well, I'm almost done, guys. Thanks. You guys keeping me company. So I'm shoveling this. Well, thanks for delivery people, right? We got to do that now. Because they won't use the side door. You want to come to the front door. Okay. We're expected to get more snow. We're expected to get more snow today. And it's a light mist of snow now. Not a lot, though. Man, please be safe. I'll close out by the tractor, by that track loader. Tractor. So off camera, I am going to scrape this driveway down. I'm not going to do it on camera. But what I do is I just snowblower off, I scrape it down, push all the snow to that end, and then turn the blower on and blow it onto my lawn. And I feel doing that, it just keeps it better. This is how it looks now. And then I'll show you, look a little better, but this really came out well. Okay, Kumasikan, let me know if you can tell the difference. I can, it just cleans up a lot of the loose stuff. And I probably had a solid tractor bucket full of snow at the end after I scraped the whole thing and I blew it onto the grass. Let's see if the BMW can make it out of here. She didn't want to go the first time, did she? I'll throw that in someplace in the video. Marauders, man, be safe this winter. May God bless you and your families. Please consider subscribing to my channel. That's how we keep score. Please subscribe. Please be safe this winter. Those of you who are riding off-road or motorcycles or operating equipment, whatever you're doing, please ride safe and in peace. I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. This has been quite a storm. It's hit a third of the country down to Texas, through Georgia, up into Virginia. Well, maybe not Georgia, Virginia, definitely South Carolina. Supposed to go to Virginia this week. I'm putting it off to next week. Up into Maine, Buffalo, New York, Wisconsin has frigid temperatures. The client out in there said we're going to be very cold. So we're going to hover around 12 degrees all week. She likes the diesel fuel. Ooh, she likes the diesel fuel. She likes to suck that fuel, boy. Okay, I'm going to scrape this down. Thank you.